in the school canteen. The school canteen is more than just a place to eat. It's a place where mathematics plays a vital role every day. From managing money to organizing supplies, math helps everything run smoothly behind the scenes. Pricing and payments. Math is used to set food prices, calculate totals, and return correct change. This involves basic operations like addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Profit and loss. The canteen calculates cost prices, selling prices, and profit margins to ensure the business remains sustainable. This uses concepts of arithmetic and financial literacy. Inventory management. Stock planning and estimating how much food to prepare involves multiplication and estimation skills. It also helps in reducing food waste. Discounts and offers. Percentage calculations are used for seasonal offers, combos, and student discounts. This helps promote sales and manage pricing strategies. Measurements and recipes. Fractions and unit conversions are used in cooking and baking. Accurate measurement ensures consistent food quality. Seating and space planning. Canteen space planning involves multiplication and geometry to arrange tables and chairs efficiently and comfortably. Digital payments. Handling online transactions involves decimal operations, rounding, and real-time calculations. It also includes basic data tracking. Math is everywhere in the school canteen, from food preparation to payment systems. Understanding these real-world applications shows how mathematics is a vital part of everyday life and decision-making.